Hi everyone, and welcome to Local News. This week we have Winter Storm Harper coming in hot, or cold, if you will. Right here is going to affect all of these areas. In fact, it's already started affecting some areas tonight. We take you to the man on scene, Chet. Thanks, Logan. It's pretty cold out here, and it's snowing. Back to you, Logan. Back to me? Back to me. Why? Why would he come back to me? My job is done. I should be clocked out. You're just a weatherman, and your job has been fulfilled. I'm not anything more than my interests, and I doubt anyone wants to hear about video game and anime. Nobody understands me. I thought this was supposed to be a world without pain and without uncertainty. You betrayed me. You betrayed my feelings. You never understood anything. You misunderstood from the very beginning.